Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Danielle here. In today's video I will be showing you how I install mini twists on my Type 4 natural hair. Thank you HOTBRAIDS for sending 5 packs of your 22-inch Afro Kinky bulk hair in the Texture-Afro A4B. They also sent over some styling tools and a sample of different textures that they provide. So they range from 3A all the way to 4C. Right here is an example. This is the 4A 4B texture. So whenever you're choosing your Afro bulk hair, you want to make sure that it's the best blend possible. So that means you want it to match and mimic your natural hair to the T, right? Because it's going to provide a more natural and effortless look. So the first thing I began to do was section my hair in small, consistent parts. This will make it easier for me to install the bulk hair since I'll be using the crochet method. So right here I'm using the Neat Braid Conditioning Gel. I'm using that gel to make sure that my parts are precise, just to clean them up a bit. I am going to go ahead and pre-part my hair into very small sections so that it's easier when it's time to crochet the hair in. So now that I'm all finished, this is what my parts are looking like. It's time to install the Afro bulk hair. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure you detangle the hair, as you guys can see. And all you're doing is brushing the hair out. I did the back section off camera, so now let's do this section. What you're gonna do is pull your crochet hook through your hair, attach the afro bulk hair, pull it through, and then begin twisting. So after I pull it through, I'm going to begin using the Neat Braid Conditioning Gel and the TGIN Curling Cream just to make the twisting easier and also to reduce frizz. I'm going to repeat this process a few times so you guys can see how you can also achieve this look. Now, as far as maintenance goes, you want to make sure that you are tying down your hair every night with a silk scarf and a bonnet, and make sure you're using your mousse. I use the Nairobi one, just to combat the frizz. So if you choose to wear this hair long term, make sure you wash it and condition it, but also use a anti-frizz product during the drying phase so that your hair can still look neat. To seal the ends, I'm going to go ahead and hot water it. Right here, I'm going to show you guys a few styles that I did with the scarf that they sent me. I did 3 styles, so you guys will see this one, the next one, and the last one coming up. guys, I love working with hot braids because they provide options for naturals like me who like a natural look, whether it's twists or braids. And since you guys know my hair is still short, I'm still able to rock an afro look. So I'm able to showcase the beauty of afro hair using their brand products. Thank you Hot Braids for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you in my next video. Later guys.